Hi, my name is Fabrice TROLLET and I am the MaTeLo product manager at Importez. In this video, I am going to explain you how to create automatically your test cases with a strong coverage into Piketec TPT. For this video, we will use the light control example provided in TPT. The TPT project is composed with states and transitions, where we can set the list of possible behavior as variants, which are temporal signals. If you want to create test cases in TPT, you need manually to add transitions to pass, and assign on each transition or state the variant to use. The aim of the TPT MaTeLo plugin is to automatically create test cases into TPT with a specific strategy approach and the minimum effort. Let's see in detail how to create TPT test cases with MaTeLo. Create a new MaTeLo project. By default, a MaTeLo project is empty with no type, no data and no test platform. Import the same TPT light control project into MaTeLo. You can now see that the TPT project variants have been transformed into enumerate type equivalence classes. For each variant, an input has been created with a default rectangular distribution. All the TPT model has been automatically created into MaTeLo. The two parallel TPT processes have been transformed into two MaTeLo subchains. In each MaTeLo subchain, the same TPT state transition diagram has been automatically created. On each transition, enumerated inputs have been set with by default the equiprobable random selection of the TPT variant. To generate TPT test cases, MaTeLo uses the Java TPT API. All the necessary TPT script is automatically created at the header of each test cases or a TPT test step function to select a specific variant on a TPT transition. These script functions are automatically set on the MaTeLo model with the link between inputs and script parameters. You will be able to update this model as you wish, if you don't need to activate a variant and check it. You could also use MaTeLo treatment function to calculate a variant depending previous signals. Or add MaTeLo conditional transition to switch between transitions depending on logical rules based on previous variant selections. This can be useful to compute automatically an expected result, for example. You can also change the occurrence probability frequency on transition or either for the variant statistical selection. Now, create your test strategy. You can, for example, ask MaTeLo to create the minimum test cases to go in all the transitions of your model, or generate the most probable path depending the previous statistical profile, or generate statistical sample depending the usage you set as probabilities, asking all paths combined with all variant combinatorics. Save the MaTeLo test suites and transform them into TPT scripts. Then, open the script and execute it. This script launches TPT and automatically creates test cases into the TPT project. Now, you can see all test cases into TPT with the MaTeLo strategy. Each TPT test cases has now the same path clause by MaTeLo, and selected variants are on TPT states and transitions. With the method, you can easily generate 1,000 different test cases in minutes, in few clicks. All the test execution is still done with TPT. You can also directly design a MaTeLo usage model without having to create the TPT model, and then generate test cases into TPT. If you want to evaluate the Piketec TPT MaTeLo plugin in your project, contact us at Importez website. Don't hesitate to subscribe to our MaTeLo channel and follow me on LinkedIn.